Okay, so today we will understand the difference between list and array. So we have two types of variables. One is list, not two types, we have more variables, but today we'll understand the difference between lists and array. Now, what is a list?
Yes,
It
ma'am.
means which can store data, multiple data in one variable. So we say to store the data, multiple data in one variable. Okay, and
Yes, ma'am.
it can be the same data type or different data type. So it can be
Yes.
same data type or different data type. Example, I take my list and I'm storing here names and their ages. You need to put strings in the double quotes and you can put numbers without double quotes. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
It's
Yes,
a
ma'am.
collection of this list is a collection of strings and numbers. It can be a collection of any data type. So when you want to store
Yes, ma'am.
multiple data, you don't have to take so many variables. That will take so much of memory, computer memory. So you take one list and you store all the data in it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next is arrays. Arrays is also a collection of data. Collection of data, but of same data type.
Yes, ma'am.
The collection of data should be same. Let's say we are storing
Yes, ma'am.
the list. So it should be,
Yes, ma'am.
sorry, we are storing the strings. I took one array, so it should be all strings, right?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
should be strings. It cannot have integers now in it. If you give integers, then it will give you error. So it can be either strings or integers or any other data type, but of one data type. Now I'll take another
Yes, ma'am.
array in which you will be storing all numbers. Numbers again are given without double quotes, but strings are given with double quotes. Now this is a type of array
Yes, ma'am.
which one is string and one is integer. Fine.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Next, lists are ordered and cannot be changed. Lists are ordered, sorry, can be changed and allow duplicates. So it can, list is type of, it can be changed. Changed matlab you can replace the contents, you can put any other contents. It is ordered. It shows you the order in which you have inserted the items, and it
Yes, ma'am.
allows duplicates. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
it allows duplicates can be changed. You can replace the content easily. Fine.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.